Hello, my name is Phil Dissacoin, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the Wedge Guard Face Defense. So the important thing here we're protecting is the face. You always want to protect your face. So I'm going to do this, start from a parallel ready stance. So let's say I'm facing somebody and they're getting aggressive towards me and they come at me with a fist or another object. I want to step away from them. So I'm going to step back, get a little bit of distance, and get that elbow nice and high, protecting my face. Okay, so if something actually comes at me, my front elbow is going to protect me. And then, if the attacker still comes at me, I'm going to shuffle step, and then I'm going to do a reverse palm heel, making sure I come back to that wedge guard. I always want to come back to the wedge guard, just like that. So, start parallel ready stance. Okay, I'm going to say attack. I'm going to step back, get that elbow nice and high, just like so. Okay, they're going to come at me again. Attack, shuffle step, attack, shuffle step, and then palm heel, reverse palm heel. Keep my elbow up front like this, and then moving back to that wedge guard, just like that. Okay, I'm going to have Della come in and assist me in demonstrating this defense. Okay, go ahead and take a step back. Okay, so I'm going to start in a parallel ready stance, and I'm going to say attack, attack. Okay, so she's going to push the target against me, and I'm going to shuffle step. She's going to attack me again, attack, and then one more time, attack. Okay, protecting my face, and then I'm going to do a reverse palm heel, and then come back to that wedge guard, just like that. Okay, so go ahead and put the target up. Okay, ready? And attack, attack, attack. And then come right back to that wedge guard. Always very important to come back to that wedge guard. Okay, now I'm going to do this. Let's say I'm facing away from my attacker, and she's going to sneak up on me. Okay, so what we're going to do here, I want to actually step away. So I'm actually stepping forward and then turning, getting into that wedge guard. So let's start from this position, parallel ready stance. And I'm going to say attack, 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 reverse palm heel, back to that wedge guard, protecting my face. Let's do that one more time. Ready? And attack, attack, attack. Reverse palm heel, back to a wedge guard. Okay, so actually, as soon as I hear somebody delicate from behind me, I really want to actually look over my shoulder. So I don't want to just keep facing forward and turn. I want to actually start looking back behind me before I actually do that turn. Okay, do we need to do it from the side? I'm going to try it from the side too. So, okay, so let's say Della comes at me from the side. So I'm kind of facing this way, parallel ready stance, and I'm going to say attack. Step back away from Della. Attack. And attack. And a reverse palm heel, back to a wedge guard. Okay, thank you. And that is the Wedge Guard Face Defense.